Hey guys, welcome back to FitPros DAO. You are here, my friends, because you are tired of the misinformation surrounding health and fitness and you are ready to turn your wellness into wealth. So this is going to be our next couple of videos, kind of diving into a walkthrough on what the, not exactly the minting process, but the whole process of what we're trying to provide and what it'll look like. So as you guys know, if you're following these videos, we are literally in the building phase. So I want to kind of paint a picture for you in this video of what this will look like as we move towards integration and launching. So first step, what everyone will get when they register is they will come on a brand new minting website that one of our team members is producing. I'll show you that in another video of what the sketch of that looks like or some of the photos. But for now, I'm just going to show you this image and we're going to assume that we're on a minting website. Right now this is on the testnet and this is on IMX Marketplace, but let's assume that we were actually on our Kyzan Clanz homepage and there was a mint function here and you would mint, and what you'd be minting is this 30-day clanless NFT. Now what does that mean? That means when you get this, you will get access to 30 days of our general health and wellness fitness coaching. The reason we did it this way is that we've seen other projects in the fitness and Web3 space try to give unlimited training or lifetime membership. And to me as a coach, and from what I've discussed with other coaches, that just seems overwhelming. No one actually commits to a lifelong gym membership or anything like that. That just sounds overwhelming and daunting. It's like everybody thinks they're going to achieve their body 30 days, 90 days, 60 days or whatever, and then you continue and you stick with this. But we're looking for these little microscopic wins along the way to keep us motivated or disciplined to stick to it. But if I say, hey, sign up for my 20-year gym program, chances are you're going to say no. And also, we don't know if you're going to like it or not, so we don't want you to buy something that ultimately you're not happy with. So we figured the best of both worlds was to create this kind of 30-day introductory NFT. So that will give you access to our 30-day program. And so once you mint this, you immediately be given access to our digital training app that will have your general wellness program. So everybody in the 30-day Clanless Merchant NFT will get this general wellness default program. This is not customized. This is general, meant to give you an introduction to the app. And this is what the calendar will look like on the app when you're inside of it. I'll actually do another video later from the user side of the app. But this is just the back end so you can see. There'll be a calendar and there'll be a dashboard tracking your stats. But inside, you'll have reminders and little messages from us about different things like mindful eating, taking your body stats, go for walks, so little nudges that we can send you daily. And then you'll have exercises. So let's go to this body weight fitness one that will actually be your exercise for the day. So this is a body weight fitness assessment. It's for the introduction, gives you a couple exercises, and this in the initial general wellness program is meant to find out what your baseline is. So you're basically going to be doing maximum repetitions of these exercises. Each one will have a video and written instructions of how to perform it, and you'll track that within the app, and that kind of gives you your fitness level or fitness assessment, and again gives you a introduction to how the app will be utilized, right? And there are different types of training. So that's body weight fitness training. We have some interval workouts. We have some desk yoga. We have some introduction to blockchain. We have some stuff from our one of our actual medical professionals about sleep and stress. So this general 30 days is literally just kind of a bunch of different areas of wellness so you can kind of sample and see what you like and what you don't like and get introduced to different things. Then on the last week, you'll find different exercises for the different training styles that we'll have. We'll go into that in a later video again. Remember, you don't actually pick your actual training avatar. You instead will be picking your fitness goals. So the way you get selected in one of these categories is from this fitness questionnaire that you'll fill out. So this questionnaire is a common questionnaire in the health and fitness space. It's usually known as a PAR-Q, a physical assessment and readiness questionnaire. And it's going to literally ask you what your goals are, what your areas of focus are that you're interested in, detoxing, cardiovascular health, meditation, all this yoga, flexibility, blah, 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 what your experience level is, what your primary training goal is, fat loss, build muscle, improve health, all sorts of stuff. So this helps us identify what best program will fit for you, what best training style, right? So if you're trying to be a world-class Olympic sprinter, you're going to train very differently than somebody who wants to be a power lifter or a swimmer. So getting your goals down and getting a program to fit that is the most important. We gamify that and create these different avatars that you'll train in. So this questionnaire is no different than, like I said, what you get from any other coach, and we then assign you a training program that we've tied towards a clan avatar to make it a little more fun. That's the only difference with our program. So we're taking the existing what works model in Web 2 and health and fitness coaching, blending it with the blockchain, making it more fun and more long term, and then we'll be adding some additional utility on top of that. So after you fill out this questionnaire and you've gone from here and picked your duration, so remember again, the default was only 30 days. Once you fill out this questionnaire, you will then be asked, how long do you want to continue training? 90 days, 6 months, or 1 year? Again, remember, we feel that it's overwhelming to give someone a lifetime membership. That just spells disaster in my opinion, and you have to pay more for that. So instead, we can make it cheaper and let you test things out as you see fit. And as the project grows, we can decide to offer more long-term training options if that's exactly what you guys want. But for now, we're testing this out and we want to iterate and change based on the needs of our Kyzan Clanz clients. Say that 3 times fast. So you'll pick your tier that you want to train in, and each one costs obviously in a different amount, and we'll have different perks and things of that nature. But once you pick that is where you will be sent into the same app that you had before, but you'll instead have a different training program that is literally based off of your training goals and aligning you with a training coach that can help you meet those goals and the exact training areas that you want to focus on, things of that nature. So here I'm going to show you kind of a brief overview of the Assassin, just so you can get an idea of how different it is. So this comes from literally one of our coaches that has been doing free running and movement training for years and really well experienced in dance and things of that nature. Has some awesome videos literally modeling styles from various arcade games like Tekken and things of that nature, showing you what these different martial arts moves look like in real life. So he's a really high qualified coach, and he can take you from beginner to parkour ninja enthusiast. So like week 1, crawling, landing, balancing, dismounts, vaults, precision landing, da. So he goes through all that, and we break this down into longer training durations, again depending on how long you want to train, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. And you can also change your training style or what you want to focus on later on, but we do want people to stick with the style for at least a little while, because that's how you actually get the best results. Think of this like learning another language. If I told you for 1 week you're going to learn French, then next week you're going to learn Japanese, and next week Korean, and last week Chinese, at the end of the month, how fluid would you be in one of those languages versus if you stuck with one, right? So training, fitness is no different. You need to stick with something, find out what's working, what's not, and then slowly tweak and remove things as your goals and stuff change in the long run. So that's a brief overview of how this works. So again, a brief recap: you'll go to our website, pretending it's here. You'll mint the Clanless NFT that will give you the 30-day access to our general wellness program. At the last week of that wellness program, you'll be presented with a quiz like this. In that quiz, you'll fill this out to get your exact training needs and fitness goals. Then you will also be asked to pick a training duration, and based on that, you'll then be assigned one of our 6 clans. And we're going to go in the next video, we will show you what one of those clan styles look like on the app. I gave you a brief overview of the Assassin, but we're going to look at it specifically on the app. And then in the following videos, we'll even look at the integration that comes with TaskHuman and how we are changing the game from what existing coaches and wellness profiles do for clients, and how we are going to disrupt this space by giving you literally unlimited one-on-one coaching in multiple areas of wellness. And you'll see exactly how that helps in later videos. All right, as always, please like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Help us get this out to more people. We're trying to grow the awareness in the space. And if you're interested in supporting us, please, of course, drop a comment, jump in our Discord, and we'll be happy to find you a position on this growing team to disrupt the health and wellness fitness industry. Until next time, guys, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.